Hey, it's Horace with What to Sell on Amazon. This is my channel where I talk about how to buy and sell on Amazon for profit. And it's designed for those of you out there who are like me, regular working class people who have decided that we're going to do something in order to gain some financial freedom. We're going to take control. We're not going to wait on the government or anybody else. Everything we need is right here, and we're going to use Amazon as the vehicle. And if that's you, if you're like me, a regular working class person who has decided you want more, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when we put out some new information. And I say we because it's me and it's my video editor, Jim. And you know what? As a matter of fact, Jim has his channel where he adds value to the YouTube audience as well at Go Pappy Go. If you want to get into all of that, maybe you want to put together a nice professional looking video and you need to learn about lighting and equipment and all this other stuff, check him out. He's good with that. You can see his work right here. But yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up if this video was valuable to you, and leave some comments. Let's get involved. Let's interact. Nobody knows who I am, man. You got me all to yourself. If there's questions, if there's something you want to say, leave a comment. Speaking of which, let me give a shout out to Caden31302. Shout out to Caden. He said, I want to hear your story. I'm also a truck driver. So shout out to all the truckers out there. You guys, I want to hear your excuses. If you want more, okay, you can do it. I want to hear this stuff about, oh, I'm in the truck because I've done it. I've been trucking for over 21 years. You can do it. And you got it a lot better than when I started. You got the internet on your phone. You got your tablets. You got your laptops. I want to hear it. But I also want to encourage you. I don't want to just beat you up. I want to encourage you. I'm a trucker. I'm doing this. We can do this together. Also, shout out to Shane Loveday. He appreciates the information and he subscribed. Thanks so much. I really appreciate that. It lets me know that the work we're putting out there is for something, just not for nothing. I really appreciate it. And so getting into this video, what you're looking at right here is what you're gonna see when you go and sign up for my free course. We got a free 12 module video course that we put together for your benefit. Takes you from A to Z on how to get started, how to do things. If you already know how to do it, sign up anyway. You might learn a new way. I sign up to other channels so that I can learn. That's how the community works. Take advantage. We put a lot of hours into producing this. And as a bonus, not only do you get the 12 module video course, you also get free leads as I put them up. So take advantage of that. Here's 2 free leads today that are good. Now let me show you how this works. Once you get signed up and you get into the members area, you'll see a link for the free leads. And once you get there, you'll see an image of the product that we're featuring. And you can click on that product or you can click on the little hand and it'll take you to where the actual deal is for you to buy. So in this case, you would go to JCPenney and the color that we want is earth. And make sure you activate your Ebates so that you can get your cash back. If you don't know what that is, go to an earlier video, or when you get in the course, there's a module on that. And as you can see, they're $15 on sale, and you get an even deeper discount when you use this code. Now, if you're using Ebates, it will apply the code automatically, so you don't even have to worry about it. Okay, so now you know where you're going to get the deal and how much you're going to pay. Then, to see the listing on Amazon, you're either going to click on the ASIN, which is a static link, or you're going to click the image, and that will take you to Amazon's deal. Okay, and from there you can look at the other things. This is the price you're going to pay. Actually, you're going to pay cheaper than that. This is the sales rank. This is where the buy box is, the monthly sales that you can expect, how many people are doing FBA, which is the business model we go by, where we send the products into the warehouse and let Amazon do all that, and how many merchant fulfills, which really they're not our competition. And let me show you what I mean. So if we go back into the listing and we're looking at the Earth Brown, there's only one guy. He's selling it for $54.11 plus $8.78 shipping. See, here's the deal. You just knocked him out of the box because you're going to be doing this FBA. Okay? So let your keeper chart load. You see these lines? That means you're getting sales. It's going up. It was 14 a month. Now it's up to 15. So another one has sold. Now, mind you, this color brown, when we're looking at these stats, that's for the parent, not necessarily that color. But I can tell you right now, tile sell. I took advantage of this deal myself. I bought some. So, and on that note, I'm going to tell you now, when you go to list this item, Amazon's going to say, oh, this is overstocked. Yeah, they're going to say that because he has over 300 tiles. But see, he's not FBA. And if you get in at his price, you're still going to make pretty good money. And you're going to be FBA. He's going to leave you alone because maybe you only buy 5 or 6 tiles. With our system, you don't go very deep into one product because you want to protect yourself. You go wide. That way you have a variety, and that way you don't put all your eggs in one basket. He's going to look at that. He can see your stock, and he'll go, I'll let him sell out. Okay? So I would go right in at 54.11. And you figure with your fees and everything, you can figure that out, but you're going to do pretty well with that, with you only paying like $11 or something. Then if you go look at the other one, now this is a toy. Toys are always good. They sell. Many of them are not restricted. Same thing, either click on the image or the hand, and that'll take you to where the deal is at. This deal happens to be on Amazon. You're going to pay $9.99 plus whatever tax your state levies if they do. Make sure you activate your Ebates on that as well. That's free money. You got to get that money back. Okay. And also, again, you can click on the ASIN or the little hand to go and check out Amazon's listing, and right away you can see. You see that yellow, and then all of a sudden that stops. Amazon used to carry this product. When they used to carry, if Amazon used to carry something, here's what's beautiful about that. 9 times out of 10 it was a really good mover, and there are people that are looking for it. And if Amazon doesn't have it, they'll still buy it from you, especially if you're offering FBA. And in this case, you would be the only guy offering FBA. So you can go even higher. If you look at, I priced you at like $29.99 because I already know with you being FBA, you can get a few more dollars out of this. Yeah, I got you at 29. So after your fees and everything, you're going to make out all right on this. Matter of fact, we can take a minute and see exactly where you would be with this. So we're going to use our calculator, if I can find it, and I can't find it, so I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll just open up a new tab and watch what I type. Revenue calculator, and I'll just put that in there. 29.99. Gonna cost me about 50 cents to get it into Amazon. Product is $9.99 plus tax, which is 6% for me. So $10.59. And you're still going to make $11.06. So that's where we would price that. And again, you have all your information, your sales rank, the price you're going to pay, where the buy box is, or at least where I think you should be priced at, your estimated monthly sales. When you got that many and you have 0 FBA sellers and only 2 merchant fulfills, you're going to do all right. Okay. And that pretty much covers it, guys. So again, I hope this video was of benefit to you, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video, okay? And make sure you're telling other people about the free course, the free leads. Quit being so damn greedy. The way we do things, if you down with me, we're all about abundance. There is plenty to go around. So there's no need to be greedy. All right? Look at me. I'm giving this stuff away. I'm not hiding it from you. I'm sharing it with you. But I expect you to do the same. Okay? This is how we all come up. So I hope this video, you liked it. Again, I'm Horace, What to Sell on Amazon. And once again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you're aware when we come out with a new video. Make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, hit that bell notification, all that stuff. And also make sure you go and sign up for the free course. You can go to onlineinternetprofits.com. You can go to whattosellonamazon.com. Get signed up. Only takes a second. You got the whole course. You get the free leads. You good to go. We're going to make a change. Remember, 2019 is right around the corner, baby. What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? You got excuses? That's fine. You got excuses? I'll tell you what. You want to come up with a good one? We will pat you on the back and tell you, wow, you're right. You couldn't do it. It was just too much. You had so much going on, and the years will just keep going by because time is not going to stop. Time is not going to wait for you, for everything to be perfect. The best time to get started is now. Actually, the best time to get started was yesterday, 5 years ago. But that's not what you got. You ain't got 5 years ago. You got right now. So the question is, what are you going to do? You plan on living another 5 years? You plan on living another 10 years? I do. So what does that mean? For me, that means that 10 years is going to arrive. The question is, where? Okay? Let me say that again. I plan on living for the next 10 years. So then that means in 10 years, I'm going to arrive. The question is where? The answer to that question is right here, right now. What am I doing? Okay. What direction am I going in? Am I putting one foot in front of the other? Or am I on a treadmill going nowhere? Okay. So get your mind right, get your money right. You can do this, but you got to stop making excuses. You got to do the hard work, so that you can enjoy something tomorrow. Now, I'm not saying that you can't have any fun. I had fun today. Went out to dinner. You can do that. Then you got to put your work in. Because if you're like me, you got to work a job. And then you say to yourself, I want more. Well, I have to become more. How do you become more? You do more. You are what you do. So don't make this difficult. You just get out there and do it. All right. I'm Horace. What to Sell on Amazon. I'm out.